Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to find unread message in Messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Messenger app. Once you open your Messenger app, you will end up in this kind of interface, where all you need to do is simply tap open a message that has been seen and come back and hold the conversation. Then you can find the mark as unread option. So simply tap on it and you can find that the message will now be unread. So you can simply tap it open and still it be seen. So you can follow this step to unread or find unread messages. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.